Here's how to safely and quickly clear a sprinkler box that's completely filled with dirt without digging or damaging anything. The HydroExVac brings portable hydro excavation to the job site by integrating directly with your pressure washer. Switch to jet mode to break through and loosen compacted soil and debris. The focused water stream allows you to precisely excavate without disturbing surrounding lines or fittings. Once the material is loosened, switch to vacuum mode to safely remove mud, debris, and small rocks, clearing the area so components are fully exposed and accessible. The HydroExVac operates with pressure washers rated at 2.5 gallons per minute or higher. In this example, we're using a 4,000 psi, 3.5 gallon per minute pressure washer, achieving over 60 gallons per minute of suction. This non-destructive process allows you to safely work around sprinkler lines, wiring, and fittings without the risk of breaking anything. The HydroExVac, built for safe, non-destructive cleanup where it matters most.